हाय हेलो, मेरा नाम है अशोक एंड सीरीज में अपन सॉर्टिंग टेक्निक्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सॉर्टिंग टेक्निक्स आपको लग रहा होगा सॉर्टिंग बोले तो क्या है। सो व्हाट इज सॉर्टिंग। आपको लग रहा होगा सॉर्टिंग बोले तो क्या है। चलो देखते हैं। 5 3 8 4 2 है। इसमें असेंडिंग और या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में रखना ही सॉर्टिंग है। So increasing order or decreasing order, so that's what we call sorting. For example यहाँ पर 5 3 8 4 2 है। इसको अपन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर बोले तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 2 3 4 5 8। सो दिस इज ए सॉर्टेड लिस्ट वी गॉट। आज हम लोग बबल सॉर्ट सीखेंगे। सो व्हाट इज बबल सॉर्ट। बबल सॉर्ट बोले तो अपन साइड एलिमेंट्स चेक करके इफ दे आर इन रॉन्ग ऑर्डर वी गोइंग टू स्वैप दिस। सो लाइक दिस we have 5 and 3 and compare adjacent elements side elements 5 comma 3. So 5 greater than 3, it is true, then we are going to swap that. So we get 3 5 8 4 2. This is how bubble sort works. We have 5 elements here, so which is going to take 5 minus 1 passes, 4 passes. So let's discuss first one. So 5 3 8 4 2 adjacent element 5 5 3. 5 is greater than 3, yes it's true, so we are going to swap this which is in wrong order. So 3 5 8 4 2. अगेन अपन adjacent element कंपेयर करेंगे 5 comma 8 which is in correct order. So ऐसा ही रहेगा और अगेन वी कंपेयर 8 और 4. So which is in wrong order. 8 is greater than 4, yes it's true, so 3 5 4 8. So next 8 comma 2 which is in wrong order. 3 5 4 2 8. For every pass we are going to get largest element in last, so last index. So now pass 2 we are going to discuss pass 2. So again we are going to check this adjacent element 3 comma 5. So 3 is not greater than 5 which is in correct order. Next 5 4 which is in wrong order. 3 4 5 2 8. Next 5 2 which is in wrong order. We are going to solve this 3 4 2 5 8. And next pass. So check this, here we got second largest element. We got here second last element at 4th index. Now pass 3. So adjacent element check करेंगे which is in correct order. Now again adjacent element check करेंगे which is in wrong order. So we are going to swap 3 2 4 5 8. Now pass 4. So we are going to check this, so which is in wrong order. We will get 2 3 4 5 8. After 4 passes we got sorted elements. Okay, so as we discussed we are going to get n minus 1 passes, n minus 1 iterations. So we got our sorted list here like this. आप अच्छा सा नोटिस किया तो देखिए फर्स्ट पास में 4 टाइम्स कंपेयर हो गया और सेकंड पास में 3 टाइम्स, थर्ड पास में 2 टाइम्स, लास्ट पास में 1 टाइम. सो every pass we are going to get -1. So -1 3 passes, -1 2 passes, minus 1 pass. That's how we get. अब अपन बबल सॉर्ट लूप को सीखेंगे. So as we discussed earlier, which is going to take n minus 1 passes. So for I in range of I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. So for j in range of j equal to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1, j plus plus. As I said earlier, which is going to, as we noticed, in every passes there is one decrement of comparison. So here check 4, 3, 2, 1. So for j equal to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1, which is going to decrease minus 1 for every time. So we are going to compare adjacent element a of j equal j greater than a of j plus 1, which is adjacent element of a of j. If a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, here we have a of j, and which is greater than a of j plus 1. We are going to swap this. We got 3, 5, 8, 4, 2, like that. So here we are going to take temp variable to swap in C programming. So temp equal to a of j. So this is assignment operator. We are going to store temp equal to a of j value. A of j equal to a of j plus value. A of j plus value equal to temp. So which is stored a of j value. So this is how we swap our elements and bubble sort. To discuss entire code, here we took n and I equal to, initialize I equal to 0 and j equal to 0, and taking size from our user. So printf enter size of array, scanf %d and store it and int a of n, which is list, and printf enter elements for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Scanf %d, we are going to take every element from user, which is n elements. So with I equal to 0, I less than n, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 5 elements, n equal to 5. So at last we have bubble sort loop. So as we discussed earlier, for I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, n minus 1 passes it was going to take to sort all those elements. And for j equal to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1, which is going to decrement a minus 1 every time, and compare adjacent element and swap if they are in wrong order, like this. If a of j greater than a of j plus 1, int temp equal to a of j equal to a of j plus 1, and a of j plus 1 equal to temp. At last we are going to display our sorted elements. So for this is loop. So for sorted, to display sorted elements, so for I equal to j, I less than n, I plus plus, printf %d a of I, return 0. So we have, this is our complete bubble sort code. We are going to run this on our laptop. Finally we are going to discuss what is the use of sort. अपन sorting किस में यूज़ करते, चलो देखते हैं. इमेजिन आपके पास 100 टेस्ट स्कोर की मार्कशीट है और वो सब रैंडम ऑर्डर में है, वैसे कि 53, 19, 100, 88. अगर आप अपन इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सॉर्ट करें तो 18, 19, 53, 100। अब इसमें से टॉपर तो लास्ट वाला ही रहेगा, जो लास्ट इंडेक्स में अपने को बहुत मार्क्स ज़्यादा है, इसलिए अपन easy to assess, we can assess it easy, so that's how we use sorting list।
अब इस प्रोग्राम को अपन लैपटॉप पे रन करेंगे। यहाँ पर array साइज और a ऑफ n यूज़र से array साइज लिया और उसको स्कैन करके n में स्टोर कर दिया। यहाँ पर i लेस देन n एलिमेंट्स को रिसीव कर लिया यूज़र से, स्टोर कर दिया a ऑफ i। सो अब बबल सॉर्ट लूप, इसमें n-1 passes लगेंगे और as we know that in every passes one decrement of comparison will occur, so we take j less than n-i-1। कहीं को बोले तो लास्ट इंडेक्स में लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट आ जाएगा, इसलिए so we don't need to swap again that last elements। We will run this program. I will enter array size and elements. This is my first video, guys. Please if you have any suggestions or doubts, comment below and subscribe for more videos, and comment if you have any doubt or suggestions for me. So bye bye.